Morning everyone, this is Brett from Gensco. We're here at a heat pump changeout job and we're just going to do a sound test. This is the old 12-year-old heat pump, and as you can see the homeowner has placed a log on top of it because it's been so noisy. It's sitting right outside their bedroom window, and we're going to fire this up and see how loud it is compared to the new American Standard 20 SEER unit that it's getting changed out for. Just give it a minute to fire up here. So that's the existing heat pump, as you can hear. It's 12 years old, loud on fire up, and loud running as well, sitting right outside the homeowner's bedroom. So again, one of the reasons why they wanted the change out was so they could have peace and quiet with their new heat pump.